what did we find here, Gabe?
Found previous fishing, it looks like.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Look at that. 3 rod.
Crazy.
This would.
Should I kick it in?
No. Use this doohickey.
Yeah. I think you just kick it.
Okay, let him go. There you go. Okay. Just get it.
Crazy. Can I get that sucker in or let him get on? Oh, you got your gloves all wet.
They're dry.
They're dry.
Caught my first fish of the day.
Yeah. Huh. Crazy.
Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Nice.
What do you want to do with them?
I'll throw them back in, I guess. Well, it's 10:30 and I got a kokanee. Gabe's got a tiger trout, and Tyler's over there looking for something. He's trying. So I'm over here just seeing what I can find. Little fish on the bottom down there, but yeah, this fish came in all at once. I was on the bottom.
Whatever that's on the bottom is
Definitely.
those fucking fish. Oh, I see him way down there. I'm not zoomed in on the bottom yet.
I'm trying to get him to come up on me.
I have a sneaking suspicion that's a lake trout.
I think so.
What's that?
I think so, yeah. Maybe he wants a fat daddy jig.
Yeah. The glow in the dark with that fucking sun's got it charged up.
Yeah, now he's going.
Ready for fucking a giant piece of bait coming down.
Yeah, he went back down to the bottom when I came down. I don't think he likes me. Well, we still haven't found the school of fish. They're just hanging in one spot. They're all just running around. So we're walking around trying to find them.
Yeah, I got him. Oh shit, look at that.
Oh, we're already on. Oh, Kokanee. Did we just find our hole?
Look at that tore up little bugger.
Yeah, he's like my first one I caught. Oh my god, he is torn up.
Take a picture of that little bugger.
Oh my god. Fish is crazy.
Oh, he just sort of spilt milk all over me.
Hey, he jizzed on you. Oh, freaking hell.
Kind of like with the milk squish out.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you're getting jizzed on by a fish. That is hilarious.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, I got fish.
There they are. They're kind of cool when they're all colored up.
Cool.
That'll be. Yeah.
Sounds cool colored.
Yeah. No, I got one. I got one. Alright, he's going back. Can find his
You need to get over here, dude.
They're on my radar.
Really? They're just back to back over here.
How are you digging?
Get your own hole, you fool.
They'll come in after it. Whatever you throw in there, they're gonna hit it.
Yeah, I do. camera. Close up. See them in the hole. Yeah, you bring them all the way up. Go down a bit more. Dude, they like that. That's badass.
Come on, we're down.